Introducing Chime, the first video doorbell designed for your Control4 smart home. It's everything you'd expect from a video doorbell, but it also leverages the power of the Control4 smart home OS to keep you connected and in control like never before. With Chime and Control4, you can view the front porch while you greet your guest, turn on the light, and unlock the door, all from your mobile device or a Control4 touchscreen. Accept deliveries when you can't get to the door.
Thank you so much.
Save the day while you're away. And keep an eye on what matters to you most, day or night. Chime can even monitor activity and react to it automatically, so even when you're away, you're always in control. And when you're at home, the all-new Control4 touchscreens are a perfect companion to Chime, making it easy for everyone to use. The new Chime video doorbell from Control4, the first video doorbell designed specifically for your Control4 smart home. For more information about Chime, talk to a Control4 professional near you or visit control4.com/chime.